Most men think attraction is all about looks, money, or status. But what if I told you that none of those things truly make a woman obsessed with you? The truth is, women are wired to be drawn to certain psychological triggers that create deep emotional and physical attraction. And today, I'm going to reveal those secrets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make a woman chase you, think about you non-stop, and see you as the man she never wants to lose. Stick around because these psychology tricks will change the way you attract women forever. The first psychological trick? Be mysterious. Most men reveal too much, too soon. Women are naturally drawn to mystery because their minds crave curiosity and anticipation. Don't overshare everything about your life immediately. Keep her guessing by being unpredictable. Text her, but don't always be available. Make her wonder what you're up to. When a woman doesn't have all the answers about you, she'll start thinking about you more, and that is the first step to obsession. Emotional intensity is key to attraction. Women get addicted to the emotional highs and lows in a relationship. It keeps them engaged. This is why women love drama-filled romance movies. Make her laugh, tease her, challenge her. Don't just be a nice guy all the time. Keep interactions exciting and unpredictable. Plan spontaneous dates, switch up your routine. Create emotional spikes, a little push and pull. Give her attention, then pull back slightly. When a woman experiences a mix of excitement, joy, curiosity, and even a little frustration with you, she'll find you irresistible. Here's a truth most men ignore. If you're too available, you lose value. Women want what they can't easily have. Be busy and focused on your goals. Don't make her your entire world. When she sees that you're a high-value man with a life of your own, she'll work harder to be part of it. Give just enough attention to keep her interested, but never too much that she takes it for granted. When you're a challenge, she'll invest more effort into winning you over, and that's when obsession begins. A powerful way to make a woman emotionally connected to you? Create your own private world with her. Develop inside jokes that only you two understand. Have meaningful conversations that go beyond surface-level talk. Create little rituals, like a song that reminds her of you, a certain way you say goodbye. When you give her experiences that no other man has, she'll associate happiness and excitement with you. Did you know that just the way you look at a woman can make her feel an intense connection? Hold deep, slow eye contact. Don't look away too quickly. Use small but intentional touches, like touching her arm while laughing. Mirror her body language subtly. It builds a subconscious bond. Women respond to energy and presence more than words. If you master this, she'll feel a pull towards you she can't explain. Finally, the most powerful psychology trick to make a woman obsessed with you: be willing to walk away. Never chase. If she senses that you'll do anything to keep her, she'll lose interest. If she's acting distant or uninterested, pull back instead of over-pursuing. When you value yourself, she'll see you as a high-status man, and high-status men are irresistible. Women only obsess over the men they feel they can't fully have. Master this mindset and she'll always come back to you. So there you have it, the psychology tricks that make a woman think about you, crave your attention, and become obsessed with you. Which of these tricks have you tried before? And what do you think makes a woman obsessed with a man? Drop a comment below and let's talk. And if you want more secrets on attraction and dating psychology, make sure to subscribe to the Untold Truth and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.